Trying to decide between a Ninja and a COSORI air fryer? You're definitely not the only one. These are two of the most popular air fryer brands on the market, and both have earned thousands of positive reviews from home cooks. But which one actually gives you the best value for your money? In this video, we're comparing Ninja and COSORI side by side, looking at cooking performance, ease of use, design, features, price, and overall value to help you decide which one is the better fit for your kitchen. Let's get started. Design and build quality. Let's begin with design. Both Ninja and COSORI make modern, well-built air fryers that look great on any kitchen counter, but they take slightly different approaches. Ninja air fryers are known for their solid construction and premium feel. Many buyers say the baskets feel sturdy, the controls are responsive, and the overall build quality gives the impression that the appliance is built to last. The designs are practical rather than flashy, focusing more on durability and performance. COSORI, on the other hand, puts a little more emphasis on sleek styling. Many of its models feature smooth finishes, easy-to-read digital displays, and intuitive touch controls. They're also designed to fit comfortably into most kitchens without taking up unnecessary space. While both brands feel well-made, many reviewers give Ninja a slight edge when it comes to overall build quality. Cooking performance. When it comes to cooking performance, both brands deliver impressive results, which explains why they continue to dominate the air fryer market. Ninja air fryers are widely praised for cooking food quickly while producing an evenly crisp finish. Whether you're preparing chicken wings, fries, vegetables, or frozen foods, Ninja models consistently deliver golden, crispy results with very little oil. Many buyers also mention that food cooks evenly from edge to edge, reducing the need to shake the basket as often. COSORI performs just as well in many everyday cooking situations. Its air circulation technology produces crispy, evenly cooked food while keeping the inside moist and flavorful. Many users appreciate the consistency and find that the cooking presets make preparing meals simple, even for beginners. In terms of cooking performance, it's difficult to declare a clear winner because both brands perform exceptionally well. Features and ease of use. This is where the differences become a little more noticeable. Ninja focuses on practical features that improve everyday cooking. Depending on the model, you'll find options such as air frying, roasting, reheating, dehydrating, baking, and broiling. The controls are simple, making it easy to start cooking without spending time learning complicated menus. COSORI offers many of those same cooking functions, but often includes a few extra conveniences. Several models come with customizable presets, shake reminders, and in some cases, smart app connectivity that allows you to monitor or control your air fryer from your phone. If you enjoy smart home technology, COSORI may be the more appealing choice. Capacity. Choosing the right size is just as important as choosing the right brand. Both Ninja and COSORI offer air fryers in a variety of sizes, from compact models designed for 1 or 2 people to larger options suitable for families. If you regularly cook for 4 or more people, both brands offer spacious models that can easily prepare full meals. However, Ninja has become especially popular for its dual basket and double stack models, allowing you to cook 2 different foods at the same time using separate cooking zones. For busy families, this can be a significant advantage. Cleaning. No one enjoys cleaning the kitchen after cooking, so an easy-to-clean air fryer is always a bonus. Fortunately, both Ninja and COSORI perform well in this area. Their non-stick baskets are designed to prevent food from sticking, and many components are dishwasher safe. Buyers from both brands frequently mention that cleanup only takes a few minutes, making either one a convenient choice for everyday use. Price and value. Price is often the deciding factor. COSORI generally offers slightly lower prices while still providing excellent cooking performance and modern features. If you're shopping on a tighter budget, you'll likely find more affordable options within the COSORI lineup. Ninja models often cost a little more, but many buyers believe the extra price reflects the brand's premium build quality, durability, and innovative features, especially on larger or dual basket models. If your goal is getting the best features for the lowest possible price, COSORI is an excellent choice. If you're willing to spend a little more for long-term durability and premium performance, Ninja is hard to beat. Final verdict. So, which brand should you choose? If you're looking for outstanding value, modern features, and an affordable price, COSORI is an excellent option that continues to impress thousands of buyers. If you want premium construction, exceptional cooking performance, and innovative designs like the double stack or dual basket models, Ninja is probably the better investment. The good news is that neither choice is a bad one. Both brands consistently rank among the best air fryer manufacturers available today, so your decision ultimately comes down to your budget, cooking habits, and the features that matter most to you. Which brand do you prefer, Ninja or COSORI? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience and which air fryer has worked best in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Home and Kitchen Finds for more honest reviews, product comparisons, and buying guides every week. You'll also find links to the Ninja and COSORI air fryers featured in this video in the description below. If you choose to purchase through those links, they help support the channel at no extra cost to you, and we truly appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.